Okay, so
This is an example of how order is shown in a group
Er det ikke
of
meget?
humanity.
the superior one is the one with the crown.
The idea of order is to be found among all creations. Within each grouping of creations, we found one who is superior. This goes for angels, stars, and elements, as well as men.
When we talk about the leaders, there's also leaders in animals. For example, in fish, the leaders of the fish group is the dolphins, and with the animals who live on the earth, it is lions and elephants who are the leaders, and by the birds, it is the eagles who are the leaders. And also with mankind, the man is the leader of mankind, and in the stars, the leader is the sun. So order is not only by animals or people, it's also in the intergalactic.